kid, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Just windy enough. Hello, this is Sheila. My name's Anastasia, and welcome to my tour.
I love the door handle.
Thank you. It's from Bali. Got it on Etsy. Great, great worker. I have a lot of different handles. It's really pretty. So this is Sheila. A lot still to be done, but you know, livable space.
Yep.
It's our breakfast nook, which I just made out of reclaimed wood. This table before I came here, it used to be old stair risers in a school that they were throwing away. So we just made this before we headed out.
You look for hotels and school, any places doing renovations.
Yeah.
There's always throwing good stuff away.
Always.
So.
Yeah. My kitchen, got a full range, sink.
Nice size sink.
Yeah, full refrigerator. This will be the shower. Right now it's storage.
Everybody's shower storage at some point.
Yeah, exactly.
Now you've got solar, right?
Yeah, we have full solar, 600 watts right now. We have 4 Battleborn batteries, so we're doing pretty good. We don't run out of energy at all. We're
That's good.
Pretty low energy users, so this is the only thing that's really running all day.
I like the arch.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Closet, storage, whatever you know you need. And this is the bedroom. Yeah. Pretty big. We have a pull-down screen for TV whenever we feel, you know, a little Guitar Hero, play some video games. Yeah. Some storage underneath the bed.
Right.
You know, trying to keep it as open as possible.
Yeah.
I really wanted to stay with an open floor plan, but you know, you need closets and stuff like that. So
sure.
Yeah. So this is her.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
And I'll look forward to crossing paths and seeing what else you've done along the way.
When you do Skoolie Palooza yourself, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody. But
I
yeah. But yeah. So
Yeah.
maybe someday.
Yeah, that'd be great. We'll be your first customers.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody wanted to ask questions or anything, do you have any kind of social media presence?
Yeah, I have Instagram. It's Sheila_the_skoolie. So we're pretty easy to reach. There's no other skoolie named Sheila that I found yet. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.